to my channel. Are you ready? You already know that's me, and today we are building my dream swirly staircase because it has always been my absolute fantasy to have one of these in my house. But since I bought a condo and there's no stairs, I decided to knock over a wall and put it in anyway. Because after all, when you're turning your house into a castle, why not? What is up, beautiful angel pies? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and as you saw from the intro, today is going to be a very glamorous video. I did not dress for the occasion, but anyways, we're just gonna get right into it. So, the before. So you guys remember in the original house tour, you can see there used to be a wall here in the middle of the living room that divided this hallway. So I decided to have it knocked over. Like, do you see it literally is gonna double the window space. So it's gonna look like I have the windows over here and the windows over here. So I have like 360 degrees of view. Look at that, DIY windows, mirrors. This was a genius idea. But anyways, I couldn't decide between black and gold or all brassy gold. So I asked you guys, as I do. Just about everyone said all gold was the way to go. And I agree, so that's what we're doing. So I contacted my friends over at King Ironworks, and they said that they could build me a railing. So it was super fun. I sent them a bunch of Pinterest pictures. They brought over some samples. I edited them on Photoshop, as I do. And eventually we came up with a loose design. But the real fun started when I got to actually show up to the factory. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. You guys, look at this. Are you sure you want to say hi? No? Okay, fine. Okay guys, so we literally came to what seems like the middle of nowhere, down to the King Ironworks like showroom shop thing, or not showroom, just the shop. But look at how cool this is. So this is where they manufacture these things, guys. This is crazy. It's just like an abandoned, it literally seems like a little garage warehouse. So cool. And look at this, do you guys see? It's getting built.
The wrought iron all the made in a solid piece, and
wow.
This is the cubing as like for the post.
Okay. So here is this, guys. You can see it's kind of like the base of it is done, but we're debating between some of the swirly twirlies. Like you can put these basically wherever you want. See? And since it's me, obviously normal customers do not come in here and do this, but I wanted to come play. Everyone's so nice to let me do this. So see, we're kind of deciding what to put on the top here. There's a couple choices. There's this piece, or there's this piece. And there's so many other choices. I just want to like put these everywhere. I'm crazy. Like, look at all of these, you guys. All right, guys, look at this. Wow. It's smoky. I need to get what that guy's wearing. Do you have an extra one? All right, guys. Oh, you probably can't even hear me. I'm a transformer. Woo! Woo! The spicy hat. So, oh, you got some nice Gucci shoes up in here. This is fancy living. Look at that. Guys, we're getting it done. My outfit today sucks, but, so I actually can't be near this, so I'm gonna walk away and you can film it because I'm scared. Okay. Wow, that was so cool. These are sexy. Dun, dun, dun. Woo! Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Wow, look at this, guys. This is the coolest thing ever. Oh my God, it looks gorgeous. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's coming in, guys. Woohoo! So we're gonna see if this fits in the elevator. Probably not. But we're gonna, what is on my face? God, disaster. Okay, here we go. Look at this, guys. It's literally just on top of, oh, that's a better, wow. This is exhilarating. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Done.
Like this.
Oh my god, that is the most beautiful shit I've ever seen. Oh my god. Dun, 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 dun. Hi ho, hi ho. It's off the stairs we go. I'll get this. Oh, it's already pressed. We're good. All right. I really got to start wearing shoes. Look at this. This goes all the way to the ceiling. Oh baby. All right. Woohoo! Such an interesting blow. Man.
Not that one. No.
Womp.
There's a wall in there, right?
Doesn't fit. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. It's a giant warehouse, but of metal railings. This is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This is like my fantasy. Also, it is literally 100-something degrees. It's very, very sweaty in here and there's no air conditioning. So, pardon my sweatiness. But look at this. This is just where they make everything. You know, this is the bigger factory, especially. Do you see over there? Here's the railing, split into 2 different chunks because it didn't fit in the house, remember? But you can see they've primed it, so it's all nice and primed. And now we're gonna paint it. See, look at this. He's painting this right now. Ooh la la, fun. All right, we've come on a play date to pick out some paint. Look at this. This is gonna make me go crazy, but I think this is the color I want, like this kind of like antique-y. Oh, this one looks nice on camera, but this looks really like orange on real life. So I think we're gonna go with one like this, because this is like the most soft, real gold looking one. Yep, I think that's it. Whoa! All right, we mixed up the paint. It's going in the little thing. Whoa! What do you think, guys? Did we nail it? I think so. It looks so good. By the way, this is my friend who refuses to be on camera. So this is all we get, but he's awesome. P.S. guys, King Ironworks, that's who you call, okay? Woohoo! All right, so now that we did that, I'm gonna come back tomorrow to finish touching it up. So maybe I'll take a shower because I'm sweating balls, and I'll see you then. All right, guys, we're gonna get some stone for the railing. Oh my god, I'm so hot. Okay, so we basically need to match the limestone tile that's in the main area so we can build up the base kind of like this. So, here we go. Oh, look at this, guys. Okay, so there's lots. It's sort of like this color, but it doesn't have these divots in it, so... Oh no. Look at this. It's just boxes and boxes of endless tile, you guys. I'm such a nerd. I love this stuff, and you guys know I've been to like every single marble house in the world. I thought I was done, but here I am again. Look at all the damn shades of, oh yeah, that's, it's clear. We'll have to take some samples and check it out. Gorgeous. Oh, look at the sun beaming in. Wow, this is so, oh, this is just gonna be a castle. Okay, so here's what I picked up from the store. None of them are particularly the same. This one is probably the closest. Kinda matches pretty good, I think. I literally propped this up like a lunatic. You know what, actually, maybe that one will work. All right, cool. Ta-da! It's railing day! So as always, I like dressed like terribly, but that's okay. Okay guys, so today is the day the first part of the railing is arriving. You can see in the background here, they actually painted the ceilings too, so all the floors and literally everything is covered. It's like really giving murder scene right now, but anyways, let's get to it. So by the way, remember this was actually a wall, so that wall has all been taken down, and this is where we're gonna drill the railing into the floor. All right, so see this, guys? We got this whole giant gaping hole. We got the tools. It's gonna be all built into here. Under here is where the tile is like hiding, so it's gonna be all in there. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. It's just so exciting, it's coming. Look at all the swirly twirlies. This is gonna be so unbelievable, especially for Christmas, just imagine. Oh no, I'm gonna go ham with the garlands and all that stuff. So, all right, anyways, I guess let's do stuff. Everybody's here. We got the whole squad. So, let's get it popping. You can see they're just kind of putting it here. I'm narrating this, but I don't really know what's happening. There was a lot of measuring though. It's having a little surgery done. Whoa! Awesome. Oh my gosh, yay! It looks so good, right? You oh, very exciting! He's shy, but he's the best. The poor people working on my house, I'm like just putting them in the video. Not everyone is comfortable being on camera, you guys, but everyone's pretty cool about letting me put them on it anyway. I mean, it is free advertising. Look, you guys, you can see it in the mirror. Do you see? Holy shit. That's crazy. You see that, guys? Look, it like got welded, so it's like smoking and even. It's hot, okay? It's hot. I won't touch it, okay? Okay, so they're gonna finish doing that. I'm gonna drop some stuff at the post office really quick, and then I'll be back. Hi, baby. This is literally what I do now. My life is so crazy now. I just go back and forth between the houses and ship jewelry, and that's it. So, like, I'm literally a whole ass Santa. Oh, okay. In the most exciting news ever, the Ah But What If It Does necklaces are finally back in stock. I am so excited. I have a brand new design for you guys. I just thought it would be something fun to do, kind of a new take on the old classic style. So you can see it says, Ah But What If It Does. It's stainless steel to last forever ever, so you can even get it wet and everything. We have yellow and white. You know, what if you can't have a railing in your house? But what if you can? And if you guys are in the market for this, the solid 10 karat gold version is back. Again, this is fine jewelry, so being handmade in Beverly Hills. I will do like a whole video on that separately soon because it's super cool, but those are on pre-order and they will be shipping out in 6 weeks because those take a lot of time to specially craft for you guys. So if you guys want to shop, those are available all new 333. I'll be shipping them out all week, so. Nothing I do would be possible without you guys, the jewelry or Sky Castle or literally anything. So thank you for the support. It truly, truly means the world. Enjoy, happy shopping. And now, get that all welded in. So now it's really secure. Oh my God, it's so windy. This is terrifying, whoa. Oh my God, the chaos. Woo. All right, we're getting this shit spray painted. Just like the good old days. I'm handy. I know how to do this. Nice. Oh yeah. Started from the bottom, now we're here. This is the tile I actually ended up deciding to get. You can see it's like a creamy marble. All right. See guys, what do you think? We could have it resting exactly on it or like an inch away. I originally thought I wanted it like this, but now I don't know. See, these are the silly little details that are a thing. What do you think? Oh, I'll have to think about that. Now I don't fucking know. Look at this, guys. Cutting all the tile and everything. This is crazy. What an event. Oh man, it's gonna look so cool. Whoa, check it out. So you can see it's getting all wrapped up. I mean, it doesn't look like much, but this is gonna be rounded. It's gonna be so cool. Alrighty, and now it's today. Are you guys ready to see it? Drum roll, please. This is a disaster, but I'll remember the before. And ta-da! The half finished after. It is really dusty because of all the construction, but you can see all the intricate little details, all the swirlies, all the twirlies, little Beauty and the Beast roses. It's really starting to look like a castle. Oh my gosh, it is unbelievable. And the gold is just iconic. This part is actually still missing, by the way, in case you're wondering what the heck is up with that. I'm probably gonna have them make something like this. Y'all know my Photoshop sucks, but you get the point. Imagine glamorously just swirling down this. Oh, good morning, darling. You can see it's just gonna kind of divide the room. The base came out super cool too. You can see it's like this gorgeous creamy marble. P.S. I ended up going with a little bit raised off of the base.
I can't believe this is in my house. Like, look at it in the light. Oh my gosh, in the morning, this is just iconic, especially with the mirrors in the background. It's gonna be just beyond. Now this is luxury. It's a metaphor for life, really. You know, if your house doesn't have a staircase, but you really want stairs, sometimes you just gotta make your own dreams happen. Thanks for shopping, happy watching, and more importantly, happy dreaming. All my love in the world and back. XO. You know, honestly, I think my favorite thing about this is it's like right when you walk in the house. And honestly, I can't think of anything that's a better representation of me. It's like you walk in and you see that, it's like, damn, okay, yeah, this bitch is insane.